Loves. This is Desiree coming at you live from bath time. And I was just sitting here while the kids are playing in the bathtub. I check Twitter and I do a little bit Facebooking. And so I was just thinking about this cool retweet. So for some of you that are not on Twitter or you weren't wondering how to get more followers, I use a program called Sendable. And what it does is it allows me to pick hashtags and it automatically retweets them for me. So naturally, I use the hashtag mompreneur. And so every time somebody uses that hashtag, Sendable actually automatically retweets it for me. And it has skyrocketed the amount of followers. And of course, because if it's people that are mompreneurs already and they're using that hashtag, then they already connect with me. So I'm actually finding people that fit my audience and people that I can connect with and maybe even do business with in the future or connect with them on a different level. So it's really cool. You want to find a hashtag that works for your business and you want to set it up so it does automatic retweets. So what I use is Sendable and it's free. You can test it out and give it a try and it just automatically sends the retweets for you and you can set up the whole schedule. So that's what I got for you. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye. Peace, love, and awesome sauce. Mwah.